Okay, I'm John Tavendale. I've been the project manager for the construction, well, the design project from 2011 right through the construction project and right through the fit out as well, up until now to completion. So I've been involved for 7.5 years. So to be involved with something this unique and special was an enormous opportunity, but also very challenging. So you look at it and you do think, well, it's wonderful, so but how do you build this and how do you design it, in fact? So it was a fantastic challenge, yeah, very exciting. Most of the buildings I've been involved with are bespoke, complicated buildings, but nothing on this scale of complexity, no. It's a bit like climbing a mountain. You don't look too far ahead. And you work through in a sequence of very logical stages that take the design from a concept through detailed design to tender to construction. I think if you were to look at it as the whole thing from the start, it would blow your mind. And originally the building was right out in the river. One of the earliest concerns I had was building it out there. That was a big moment to demonstrate that and persuade all the funders to let us move the building ashore to where it is now and maybe make it more deliverable. So when the tenders came back significantly over budget, that was a very worrying moment. And I think there was that moment when everybody had to decide, do we deliver this building as it has been designed, or do we dumb it down and simplify it? And at the end of the day, it's the uniqueness of the building that costs the money. And I think the funders made the very bold decision to leave it as it is and deliver this building. And the additional money was found. And then all the way through the construction, you're controlling the costs very carefully with the contractors, subcontractors, design team. And at the end of the day, we've done it. Everybody involved has been incredible.
Well, it's just stunning.
Good.
So, congratulations.
Oh, thank you very much. It's lovely, thank you.